Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, the West Indies went down 2-1 to New Zealand in their three-match one-day international series after losing Sunday's deciding third match by 5 wickets at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Sent to bat, the West Indies, led by a century from Kyle Mears, posted a competitive 301 for 8, this off their 50 overs. Mears blasted 105 off 110 deliveries, including 12 fours and 3 sixes for his second ODI century. He also shared in a 173-run opening partnership with Shea Hope, who made 51. Captain Nicholas Puran also smashed the Kiwis bowlers, getting 91 off 55 balls with 4 fours and 9 sixes, while Azar Joseph chipped in with 20 not out. Now, in reply, New Zealand eventually achieved a victory at 307 for 5 of 47.1 overs. They were led by a 120-run third-wicket partnership between stand-in captain Tom Latham, who made 69, and Darrell Mitchell with 63. Martin Guptill also made 57, while Devon Conway got 56, and Jimmy Neesham 34 not out. Jason Holder took 2 for 37, and Yannick Karaya 2 for 77. And the West Indies Rising Star under-19 game between Jamaica and the Guyana looks headed for a draw as rain has forced a delay to the start of the third and final day at Arnasvale in St. Vincent. Only 1 over was possible on Sunday's second day, which saw Guyana under-19s adding 2 runs to their total to be 283 for 6. Both runs on day 2 were scored by Jonathan Rampasad, who is unbeaten on 6. Shamar Yearwood remains on 86 from day 1. Rampratab Ramnath has so far top scored in Guyana's innings with 107. The Jamaicans lost their opening game of the championship to Barbados before beating the Windward Islands in their second contest. Now, the football coach of the Reggae Boys team in Austria, Meron Gordon, says he's encouraged by what he has seen from the team as they get set to face Morocco in a friendly international on Tuesday. The larger local-based squad has been in Austria since last week and will play their first of 2 games on Tuesday after their match against Ghana was cancelled.
Watching international football and actually playing it is 2 different things. It's a different pace, different level, organizational structure. So I think, this has really exposed them and at least prepare them for what is to come, for those who will move forward with the Reggae Boys or even move forward overseas to play international professional football. So it is always a good thing for them, and one thing I love about the group though, they're really, really trying their best and they really want to put their best foot forward.
Now, further afield, Liverpool and Manchester United will both look to kickstart their season after a disappointing start when the two meet in one of England's biggest football rivalry today at 2 p.m. in the Premier League. With expected protests from Manchester United fans, Eric Ten Hag's side is yet to get off the mark this season with defeats to Brighton and Brentford. For Liverpool, drawn results against the promoted Fulham and Crystal Palace sees them 15th. Liverpool will also be looking to extend their unbeaten run against Manchester United in the Premier League to 9 games, as they haven't lost to them since 2018. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Herman, it's back to you.
All right, thanks, Renato. And that's the Midday Package. I'm Herman Green. On behalf of the entire team, thanks for watching. We have primetime news at 7. You don't want to miss it.